Hi, Celeste at the Champagne Agency. Did you know that two homes can suffer the same damage but receive very different claims payments? Here's why. We're going to talk about replacement cost versus actual cash value, which is super important on your insurance. Value of the item. So, say we're talking about a roof. Your roof is 10 years old and you had a storm come through and damage it, and you need a whole new roof now. The new cost of your roof is $12,000. So, the depreciated value of your roof is $6,000. That means that if you have actual cash value on your roof, then they're going to pay the $6,000 minus your deductible. With replacement cost, which means the insurance company pays what it costs today to replace the item with a similar one, then they would pay the $12,000 minus your deductible. So, say you have a $2,500 deductible and you have actual cash value. Instead of them paying full $12,000, they're going to pay $3,500 because that's $6,000 minus your $2,500 deductible. If you have replacement cost, then they're going to pay the $12,000 minus your deductible, so they'll pay $9,500. In Michigan, roof depreciation is one of the most common claim surprises that homeowners encounter. Either one is fine as long as you know what you have and you're okay with it. Give us a call if you need to check on whether you have actual cash value or replacement cost. 734-282-8700. Thank you. Bye.